Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best homemade macaroni and Jack Daniel's barbecue ribs, y'all. And y'all, these ribs are so tender and juicy, but then it's just the sauce, like the glaze, the Tennessee whiskey, the brown sugar. It is just all together a happy family, y'all. And this will be found under my homemade recipe playlist. Let's go. So I have some brown sugar, which the recipe that I use calls for dark brown sugar, but molasses is gonna help. Roasted garlic, lemon juice, pineapple juice, and the recipe also calls for crushed pineapples, but I didn't have any. Some chicken broth, and then I also have some olive oil, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, or you can use cayenne, some minced onion, some teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and then of course whiskey. So we don't drink whiskey, so I just got a little small bottle just to supply the amount needed for the recipe. So for the ribs, I'm just gonna do simple seasoning, salt and pepper, because there is a lot of flavor that's gonna be in the sauce that we put on top of them, so you don't want to overdo it. So I'm gonna start by adding my brown sugar and the rest of my ingredients and start to get that to thicken up. So while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click the subscribe button. And thank y'all so much to those who have already subscribed. I appreciate you guys so much. So once it started to thicken, I'm going to add in that roasted garlic, the lemon juice, and then of course the star of the sauce, the Jack Daniel's. And it just calls for a couple of tablespoons, and that's it. So on the macaroni, I have some pre-cooked, some cavatappi pasta that I put in the water. I salted in garlic powder. Season your water. Then I have, for my cheese blend, mozzarella, Colby, and mild cheddar, but any type that you have will work. Then I have a couple of eggs, some butter that I'm going to cube up, and then some Velveeta for some creaminess, salt and pepper, and then half and half. I normally do like a whole milk and heavy cream, but the half and half will, obviously work. Roasted garlic seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, and then ground mustard. So I am going to start with seasoning my milk mixture, and so this way, before you add your eggs, you can get to the seasoning that you think works best. And again, I salt my water, so the noodles are already going to have some flavor, so you don't want to over salt this because the cheese is salty, your noodles are salty. So just mix that up, give it a taste, and then make any adjustments that you need before you add it all together. Lastly, I'm going to crack my eggs in there, mix that up, and then set it off to the side, and we're going to start building our macaroni dish. So into a greased pan, I'm going to add a layer of noodles, and then the Velveeta and the butter, shredded cheese, and then I'm going to repeat that for a second layer. And so once you've build that up, top it with cheese, and then you guys see me do this in my other macaroni recipe. Pour your milk mixture over the top, and then a little paprika on top. Into the oven, uncovered 375 for about 45 minutes. So Hubba is, of course, working the grill master. Hi, babe. And then once you get that good color on there, and just add your sauce on there, and do this last because it will caramelize. So while he's doing that, I pulled Mac out of the oven. Look at that, y'all. Come on. Let it set for 10 minutes, and there you go, honey. Dinner is served. And y'all, honey, don't wear a cute shirt, okay? Because it's gonna get messy. This is I'm eating, it's good, leave me alone, okay? So hope you guys try this recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, I post new videos every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.